Understanding the socket wrench. An essential tool. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of tools, focusing on one that's particularly useful: the socket wrench. This video is designed to help English language learners understand not just the term, but also its application in everyday life. Let's explore this handy tool together. A socket wrench is a type of wrench, or spanner, that uses separate, removable sockets to fit many sizes of nuts and bolts. The most distinctive feature of a socket wrench is its ratcheting mechanism. This allows the wrench to be turned back and forth without removing and repositioning the tool on the bolt. It's an efficient tool, especially in tight spaces where movement is limited. The socket wrench is made up of two main parts. 1. The handle. This is the long part you hold. It usually contains the ratcheting mechanism. 2. The sockets. These are cylindrical pieces that attach to the handle. Each socket fits a specific size of nut or bolt. The versatility of the socket wrench comes from the variety of sockets that can be attached to the handle. Using a socket wrench is straightforward. 1. Choose the right socket. Select a socket that fits the nut or bolt you're working on. 2. Attach the socket. Place it on the handle. 3. Position the wrench. Fit the socket onto the bolt or nut. 4. Turn the handle. Use the ratcheting mechanism to tighten or loosen. The ratcheting mechanism allows for a continuous movement without needing to lift the tool. Socket wrenches are widely used in automotive repair, for engine work and tire changing; construction, in assembling and disassembling structures; home maintenance, for various DIY projects and repairs. They are valued for their efficiency and adaptability in different situations. I hope this video has shed some light on the socket wrench, a truly versatile and essential tool in many fields. Whether you're a budding mechanic, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious about tools, understanding the socket wrench is a great step in your English language learning journey. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.